Oh my god. All right, so this is the take 5 bass line. And it, again, this is a non-standard way of writing it. It looks more confusing because I want you to see that lowest common denominator. But going back to this discussion about, here's your quarter note, and the swing rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? So it's kicked over. It's that triplet. It's the first third beat of the triplet. And the way that we count it is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and because we're in 5, right? Take 5, 5, 4. But the main thing is you're saying 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Ba 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 ba. Okay. So when I'm tapping out, I'm going to learn just the left hand here, just the first measure. This is weird rhythm, but once you get it, you've got it. And it's going to be solid. I've got play-alongs that you're going to play with, and it's going to be great.
Okay.
And you're going to own this. Everybody's going, oh my gosh, she sounds like Dave Brubeck. Amazing. It's amazing. Okay. So it's only 2 notes in the left hand, E flat and B flat. How hard could it be? So if we just take a quick look at it, anytime there's a triplet here is the third beat of the triplet. We're not doing anything fancy. It's just the third beat of the triplet, which we call the and of whatever beat it is, and we're swinging the eighths. And that's why it says triplet. This is a written out swing. This is written out what it sounds like, okay? So we're playing on the first beat. We're playing on the and of 2. This is just the bass line. We're resting on 3. We're playing on the fourth beat and resting on 5. So we're playing on 1, the and of 2, and 4 in the left hand. We're ignoring the right hand right now. So we're going to tap it out. We're not going to tap all our we're not going to do the lowest common denominator, which is the triplet, which is 3 times 5, which is 15. We don't need hummingbirds today. We did enough of that practice with Lady, and this is ultimately where we're going to be.
Okay.
We're doing a transition. So if I tap, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in my head, I'm thinking 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2. So it's that little skippy thing, right? So when I play, I'm going to give 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do that again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
So I got ta, 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 ta. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and okay? 2 and 3, 4, 5. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5. Okay?
Okay.
So you get that. Then look at the bridge. The bridge is exactly the same rhythm, but you're going to hold the second 2 notes longer. So they start at the same point. So practice that as well. Starting at measure 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Okay?
Okay.
Just do that measure until you got it. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Okay? So it's kicked over. And then the rest, it's just a pattern. And then the right hand, I want to do the right hand because we're out of time. Shit. Okay. So this is just, you have your good old E flat minor first inversion, like in Lady, and then you have your D flat major first inversion, just like in Lady. So we're cross-pollinating here. And in this, on the right hand, you're playing on the and of 1, beat 3, and beat 5. Okay, so they fit together. So if I'm going to tap with my left hand, I'm going to think 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and then when I play 1 and 2. That's really important. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. Okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. Okay? Be able to do that.
Okay.
And the bridge is the same rhythm except beat 3 is gone. So you're doing 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just a big open thing.
Okay.
But you're on the and of 1 and beat 5. Okay?